Welcome back on the solid journey with this album that we're reviewing and reacting to, which is Burning Spear No Destroyer album, brand new spanking album, released August 18th, 2023. When you're in Jamaica, trust me, the vibes that you feel, you will be fulfilled. But I'm telling you, there's something special. And that Burning Spear tell you about Negril.
Negril, Negril, the cave is the original, down in Negril. Make a right at the roundabout, straight to the cave. Ring the bell and just have some faith, you'll arrive at the cave. The cave you can have some fun, down in Negril. The cave you got privacy, down in Negril. The cave you can do the romance, down in Negril. Take reservation and head to the cave, down in Negril. Hold your wife and please don't later, down in Negril. With romantic dinner under the cave, down in Negril. Call up your date and head to the cave, down in Negril. So your date can test your fate, down in Negril. Tell your date about do the engage, down in Negril. You can get some rest, down in Negril. Relaxation is right at the cave, down in Negril. Tell your girl that the cave is the best, down in Negril. People been walking that beach, 14 miles of white sun. Take a swim and have no fear, down in Negril. The cave is just full with taste, down in Negril. Is there a dreadlock mermaid at the cave?
Did this man say if there's a dreadlock mermaid at the... Boy, Burning Spear imagination is running wild on this one, I'm telling you, boy. As we continue.
The cave you can jump off the cliff, down in Negril. The cave you can see the sunset, down in Negril. The cave when your time come to go home, you just say no. Me and Spiegel have high tall stew, down in Negril. Me and Spiegel no roots bamboo, down in Negril. Yes, I remember Ritz Cafe, down in Negril. Negril is the highlight and more. Everyone just wants some more, down in Negril. So they can freshen them soul, down in Negril. Down in Negril. Down in Negril. Down in Negril. Down in Negril.
Down in Negril. That is a perfect tourist tune. Yeah. You know, as I hear this song and I was listening to this song, it put me in the mind of Jimmy Buffett. Rest in peace to Jimmy Buffett, who recently passed away. And as you know, Jimmy Buffett was a man that promoted the island life, the island escape life throughout his whole career. And this tune kind of just put me in that mood, like that escape for a minute, and you're in the grill in Jamaica, enjoying the festivities, the good vibes, the drink, the food, the women. everything just lovely and vibesy and as they say, irie man, right? Yeah, and yeah, it's one of those tunes just to you see Burning Spear at times, another side of Burning Spear. Its tunes is just something for you to just ease it to. It's like a jazz record, where you don't hear the vocals, it's just instruments, but it speaks to you and it does something to you. And that's how another way I can explain Burning Spear interpretation of his style of music. And as we move forward, so that was Negril, and the production team is the same as the previous tracks. Like I said, he just used a particular body of people to do this body of work, and it worked. Okay, so we're going to keep it moving on to track 11 and keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Continue to like, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe, as here on the Solid Corner we keep positive music alive. Okay, keep everything solid. We're going to keep it rolling. Okay, yeah, keep everything solid.